right, it's Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues. So Gabrielle and my daughter Gabrielle is right here. Rachel Gabrielle.
Come on in.
Gabrielle came in like about 3 years ago. She works at Bravo in Mystic.
Yeah.
The hottest restaurant going over there. Carol Cannabis is a big time restaurateur over there. And if you can last with Carol for 3 years, give me that handshake. Hey, but Gabrielle came in and she had a special request, and we don't get upset as long as you know what you're talking about. We came up, she wanted a sherry cream sauce pasta, like rigatoni, and we threw some sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, right? Plenty of garlic.
Oh, yeah.
And spinach. So this is what we're gonna do on, this is Saturday night. Wednesday, we're gonna do it Wednesday, so Paul will be here. And we're gonna do a pasta Gabriella. Gabrielle.
All right.
Pasta Gabrielle.
I'm excited. Very excited.
Okay.
I look forward to it.
All right. We'll come and see you over there at Bravo. Tuesday nights. All right. Good health. Welcome to Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues here. So we got a really nice young lady. She came in like 3 years ago. Busy Saturday night. Asked if I could make a special recipe. And you know, in the heat of the battle, sometimes not always what we want to do. But she was such a delightful person. And come to find out, she works in Bravo. Carol Cannabis's. She's got a little empire going over there. We got Red 36. And she had Bravo for a number of years. She had Azu. And what's the other place? In Groton? Oh God, got that senior moment.
Yeah.
But anyway, so Gabrielle, my daughter's Rachel's middle name is Gabriella, and she came in Saturday night and with her dad, and you know, reminiscing about the times. And I said, you know what, we're gonna do, and there's an opener for this video that we've already done. So we're gonna make this nice pasta with chicken, and so anyway, I figured a good time to do a little tutorial on cutting my favorite green onions. I just very snip off the hair end, and so I like to go end to end. Watch your fingers. Take it slow, you know. Take it slow to begin with.
No need to showboat.
No. Trust me, I've had a couple of mishaps. That right there was today spraying off an old wood grill. And I made a mistake trying to rinse off with that power washer. That's not too smart, man. It started off real slow for about 2-3 seconds, and then wham. Took a little chunk off. Alright, some more bigger pieces I cut up a little bit. That's it right there. We are good to go. And then, so right here what I did is I cut up some diced chicken, kind of julienne, a little black and seasoned, just a little bit of flour and get started. So I don't want to use a lot of oil and butter in here because it's gonna be like a pan sauce. I know in the opener we didn't say mushrooms. Hey B. Hey Mel. Yeah. Give me a little bit of spinach. Yeah. Paul is in the house. Paul Orsini Peltier.
She must know when you're cooking.
I know. I think she sits out back next to that vent hood. You think?
I think so.
Okay, so then going in with some garlic. Going in with some sun dries. Oh, that escaped metals.
Cut.
Hey Paula, what's happening? Gotta be Italian, man. It just smells nothing but garlic.
That's what
We're doing sherry wine, a lot of sherry. We'll get the pasta in the water. We gotta cook some pasta.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Brave. Then what I'll do is I'll break up a little bit more. Okay? Palm. Look at this one, Glenn. Look at that. That's getting ready for the glue factory here. That'd be being shipped out, but we're gonna recondition. We got 3 winners. We're gonna put some new rivets on there because, God forbid, this got in somebody's house and they're cooking and they let loose. Oh boy, can't have that. They put a little bit of pasta water just to thin that out. This is pasta Gabrielle. She was here the other night.
Yes, yes.
Want to grab a couple forks?
Wow, I gave it the right time.
Perfect timing. Right, we've covered all the bases, right, Glenn?
That's it. I think we got it.
And just at the end, I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of Freshie. Oh, you know what we missed? A little salt and pepper. Just in case. Of all the weeks I go, like I've just started like a low carb
I know.
deal, so I can just taste it. Maybe just a little touch. Salt. Pasta's a little al dente, so just a little bit, just to cook it down. Just give her an extra minute in the skillet. Oh yeah.
There you
Glenn?
go. There you go.
What do you think?
That's a winner.
What do you think, Paula?
That looks fantastic. Definitely not low carb.
Nah. I feel better though, you know, it's I've cut out the bread and pasta and rice and get a little more energy.
Every once in a while you gotta do that.
Yeah, I need to do it for a while.
Yep.
So there it is right there.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that nice? Is it a mushroom? I love ideas, you know, people give me ideas and you know, we try to recreate them. But this was like from like 4 years ago. So
That was quick, Jack. That only took you about 10 minutes too.
right out of money, huh?
Yeah.
But you know what? I'm gonna lick the skillet. I think I used to lick Mom's the beaters, you know, when she make cake,
Yes.
cake batter and cookie dough and stuff. So, Paula, go ahead, give it a shot, give it a little taste. I know it's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot. So we got a little bit of chicken.
I gotta try that piece of chicken. I can do that. Mushroom. That sherry cream sauce is. That sherry cream sauce is nice.
That sherry's really good.
Chicken.
That's very good.
It's another winner. Pasta chicken combo. You made it real time, 10 minutes. As Daddy Jack's go with the blues. Paulo Orsini Peltier, Glenn Peltier on camera. Orsini Sausage Company. You can't beat it. Get the triple hot. You'll thank me later. And then the thin, you know, the parsley, cheese, parsley, garlic, phenomenal. You know, give them a shot. If you're nice to them, maybe they'll send you an order. Then you guys go with the blues here in beautiful downtown London. Future home of the Coast Guard Academy, we hope. Peace.
You can only hope.